Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You are watching Trish Kitchen and I am Trisha. Today I am going to share with you Paneer Tikka Masala's recipe. This quick paneer recipe can be prepared by marinating paneer cubes, capsicum, onion in a thick creamy gravy. You can serve it as a starter or with roti, naan or jeera rice. Now let's see how to make Paneer Tikka Masala. First of all, dry roast 2 tablespoons of besan. Once done, keep aside. Add 6 to 7 tablespoons of hung curd to the mixing bowl. Add Kashmiri red chili powder, tandoori masala, salt. Now add mustard oil. You can add any other oil too, but I prefer mustard oil as it gives a very nice flavor in it. Add ginger garlic paste. Now add the roasted besan. Add lemon juice. Mix everything well and check the salt and spice. If needed, add more salt and chili powder. Our mixture is ready now. Add capsicum, cut in cubed, onions, tomato and paneer cube. Mix well. Gently coat them with the marinade. Now cover and rest this in the fridge for 1 hour. After 1 hour, insert the marinated paneer, capsicum, tomatoes and onions into wooden skewers. On a rack or a plate, arrange the paneer skewers. Brush some oil on the veggies and paneer. Then grill the paneer tikka for 15 to 20 minutes. Our paneer tikka masala is ready now. Sprinkle some chaat masala and lemon juice on paneer tikka. Serve the yummy paneer tikka with chutney and onion rings. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.